Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got another sponsored Temu haul. And this is just a small one, but I will leave the links to everything plus the price in my description box along with all the Temu codes, which would be my code and the Temu app code. Everything will be in the description box for y'all to check out. So I hope everyone's having a great week. The weather here has been so flip-floppy, but I don't expect anything any different. This is Kentucky. We have all 4 seasons in one day. So I have got 3 items here, and I am just going to go through these real quickly. I gave $8.63 for this at the time that I purchased, but I did get a lot of price adjustments. So I may not necessarily have actually gave that much for this. I don't know. I didn't go back and look to see what I got back. I just go in 2 or 3 times a day, check it. You've got like, I think 30 days from the time that you purchase your stuff to go back into your app. You click on anything in that order. You know how it shows you, you got 4 or 5 things in an order, and it shows you what you have, and it says up there your receipt, blah, 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 blah. You just click one of the pictures, and on the bottom, it will say price adjustments, leave a review, tracking, anything down there where it says price adjustment. You just hit it, and if there is a price adjustment, it will pop up, and then you can just choose from if you want it to credit your account or go back on your PayPal, debit card, whatever. I always have it just go back to my Temu account because I'm gonna buy some more anyway. So all right, this is magnets, and these are 20 Halloween magnets. Now, I am not going to lie. I'm a little disappointed in these for $8.63. I mean, I guess they're not. I thought they honestly would be a little bit thicker. I don't know. But they are super cute. And like I said, there's magnets. There's 20 of them. There is the little plastic coating on here that you're just going to peel up, if I can get a hold of it. And and that is very sticky. And you're going to just put your drills on here. So I'm just going to lay these out, and I hope y'all can see them, being I have a dark background. Now, this one has gotten a little where it was in the package. So we have a witch. Oh, look, it's got a little tab right there to where you can pull it up. So that's pretty cool. Oh, and it comes with a regular toolkit, green boat, pink wax, single placer, pink pen. So here is a ghost. We have candy, a bat. We have a gnome. I guess he's a witch gnome. We have a cat. We have another gnome. It says boo. Let me pull y'all up some. We have a jack-o'-lantern, skeleton. We have pumpkins and a black cat. Looks like a Jell-O mold with a witch's hat on it. That's different. We have a cauldron with green bubbly stuff. All right. We have a RIP, rest in peace, tombstone. This one says Halloween. We have another gnome. We have a mummy. We have the Grim Reaper, Spiderweb, and then a haunted house. So there should be 20. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes, we have 20. Did I do that right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 14, 16, 18. Yes, we have exactly 20. I thought we had 21, but I guess I did count that one. So, there is the magnets. And let's look at the drills. I guess they're not as bad as I thought they were going to be. So, we have a lot of silver. And then it looks like 3 bags of black. And then we have the crystals. Purples and greens. Different shades of greens. Yellows, oranges, browns, another purple. So there's those. Alright. Well, I just got that all messed up, don't I? Okay. Alright. There's those. Okay, so there's all the magnets. They are cute. I didn't realize there was gnomes in it. So that's a plus because I love gnomes. Okay, so there's that one. So the next thing that I got, I gave $5.84 for these. And I thought these were so cute. And that's if I can find the opening. What is going on? Are you serious? I always have issues. Okay. Okay, these are magnets also. Didn't realize that. Okay, so regular toolkit. And then we have these little magnets, which has got a sticky on it. So what you're going to do, these are all just one-sided, is when you get done, you'll take the film off of this, take the paper off that. You're going to stick the magnet on there, and then you can put these on your fridge. So, this is what they are. They're like little drinks. And I think there's 6 of them. And they are acrylic. They're not as thick as a keychain, but they're good. So we have the Grim Reaper, a mummy, and jack-o'-lantern on those 3. And then we have Dracula, a skeleton, it looks like, and I don't know what that is. Is that a monster? That one? Or is that a goat? I don't know what that is. So, anyway, there's those. And there are 6 of them. And we'll look at these real quick. I do have another Temu haul coming. Should be here probably in a couple of weeks. Halloween will probably be over by the time it gets here. And I have a few Halloween items in it. So there's those. It's not that many crystals. And I'm going to put those in here. So yeah, these are really cute. But they just put me in mind of coffee, like little coffees. Okay, so the last item that I have, I've been seeing everybody getting these, and I wanted to try them, but I can't. I would like to have the premium ones, but they're just too expensive for me. So I gave $6.29 for these, and these are minis. So you can see all the colors are individually bagged up here. All the gems. And these are squares. I did not realize that. So that's pretty cool. Comes with a regular toolkit. And these are Halloween minis. Now, here is the legend. So there's 30 different colors. And there are 12. It doesn't look like there's any. You could probably put some ABs and stuff in this, but it doesn't look like there's any specials of anything. But it does have the DMCs on there. And these look pretty good. Yeah. So, these, y'all might be able to tell what that is. Kind of looks, okay, I can see. It is a bottle, and it says poison. So, there's one. And then this one is, there's 2 cards, a hand, and I cannot tell what that says. If you can tell what that says, leave me a comment. Let me know. Alright, and then we have this one. If I got that. Looks like some roses. I don't know. I can't tell what that is. Okay. Then we have this one. It says magic. And it's a crystal ball. You can see the ball. There's an eye on the inside. And then we have a witch. And these are on like that rubbery filling of canvas. And then we have this. Says moon. And it's a cat with the moon up there. Kind of looks like a sphinx. And then we have a cauldron. We have the haunted house. We have the I guess that's daylight and that's dark. 'Cause that looks like a moon, and then that looks like a sun. But it's the sand. I don't know what them things are called. I can't remember. Okay. And then we have this one. It says, what does that say? Can I see in the camera? I don't know what that says. Oh, yes, no, spirit. Okay. So it's a, for the Ouija board, it's the, what is that called? Starts with a P. Okay, and then we have this, which is, I don't know what that, okay, there. Now that looks better. It's a book with the candles. And then we have an owl. So, these are really cute. Really, really cute. Really sticky. They look very clear. And like I said, they're square drills, which is really weird to me, having square drills on something that's, you know, weird shaped. So, and then it comes, like I said, with that. And then I'm not going to take all of these out, but they look really good. But you can see the color palettes. Got oranges, yellows, purples, blues, reds, greens, whites, black, grays, orange, white. So, alright, so there's those. So, that is all that I got in this little haul. So, what do y'all think about these? What do y'all like best? I think I'm going to have to say I like these little cups. These little drink cups best. I think they're cute. Very cute. I apologize for the glare. So, alright, I'm going to leave everything in my description box. Y'all can go check it out. Do all the YouTubey things. I appreciate each and every one of you. And leave me a comment. I always enjoy reading them. I always comment back. So yeah. So, alright. Till my next video, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.